Hello, in front of me I've got LG Q70. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app, enter menu, go to more, and enter settings. Go to Google Assistant, voice match, and make sure that Hey Google function is enabled. Now you are sure it's working, let's go back and enter lock screen. Also make sure that this function is enabled. Now you can simply lock the screen and say, Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
It'll be cloudy with a high of 33 and a low of 27.
And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.